Ever wondered where your data goes when you save it to the cloud? How does cloud storage work, and why should you use it? Let's dive into the fascinating world of cloud storage and uncover its benefits. First things first, what exactly is cloud storage? In simple terms, cloud storage is a service that allows you to store data on remote servers accessed via the internet. Instead of keeping your files on a local device like your computer or phone, you save them to a virtual space in the cloud. So, how does it work? When you upload a file to the cloud, it's broken down into smaller pieces and sent to multiple servers located in data centers around the world. These servers are managed by cloud service providers like Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud. Each piece of your file is stored on different servers to ensure redundancy and security. When you need to access your file, the cloud service reassembles these pieces and delivers the file back to you. This process happens so quickly that you don't even notice it. The best part? You can access your data from anywhere with an internet connection, whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Now, why should you use cloud storage? Let's start with accessibility. With cloud storage, you can access your files anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home, at work, or on vacation, your data is just a few clicks away. This is especially useful for remote work and collaboration, as team members can easily share and edit documents in real time. Next, let's talk about security. Cloud service providers use advanced encryption to protect your data both during transmission and while it's stored on their servers. They also implement robust security measures like multi-factor authentication and regular security audits to keep your information safe from cyber threats. Another major benefit is cost savings. Instead of investing in expensive hardware like external hard drives or USB sticks, you can store your data in the cloud for a fraction of the cost. Many cloud storage providers offer free plans with a generous amount of storage, and if you need more space, their subscription plans are usually affordable. Cloud storage also provides automatic backups. No more worrying about losing your data if your device crashes or gets stolen. The cloud continuously syncs your files, ensuring you always have the latest version backed up. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially for important documents and precious memories like photos and videos. Scalability is another key advantage. As your storage needs grow, you can easily upgrade your cloud storage plan without the hassle of buying and configuring new hardware. This flexibility makes cloud storage ideal for both personal use and businesses of all sizes. Finally, let's touch on collaboration. Cloud storage services like Google Drive and Dropbox make it incredibly easy to collaborate on projects. You can share files with colleagues, assign permissions, and even work on documents simultaneously. This seamless collaboration boosts productivity and ensures everyone is on the same page. In conclusion, cloud storage is a powerful tool that offers convenience, security, cost savings, automatic backups, scalability, and collaboration benefits. By understanding how it works and leveraging its advantages, you can streamline your digital life and work more efficiently. So, next time you save a file to the cloud, you'll know exactly how it works and why it's such a game changer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechZnap for more tech insights and digital knowledge. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.